Naging matagumpay at ipinagmamalaki ng People Management Association of the Philippines sa pakikipagtulungan ng Rotary Club of Manila at Department of Labor and Employment ang 31st Annual Tower Awards 2025. Ito ay pagbibigay parangal sa mga individual para sa kanilang natatanging serbisyo sa industriya. Pinangunahan ito ni President Lydia Quintas, FPM CTRP ng People Management Association of the Philippines, Rotary Club of Manila President Jujut Enriquez III, PVP Regional U at Amado Valdez. Naging guest of honor si Labor Secretary Bienvenido Leguesma at nagbigay ng inspirational message sa mga awardees na makakatanggap ng parangal.
Una, pagbati sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Rotary Club of Manila, the best and the best in Asia, led by the President, a hardworking Eduardo Jujut Enriquez. And so, of course, let me also greet the woman behind a successful man, Rotary Ann Leah Enriquez. Let me also warmly greet the officers and members of the People Management Association of the Philippines, headed by its President, Lydia Lily Intans. Dito yung kaibigan ko na siyang chairman ng Tower Awards. But I was told he is ably represented by Dean Abading Valdez. Hayaan nyo din po na bigyan ko ng pagkilala ang hardworking team ng PMAP, led by its executive director, a good friend, an old friend, and a very close friend, Rene Henner. On behalf of the Department of Labor and Employment, I extend my warmest congratulations to the two individuals and two groups composed of 5 awardees who, after a rigorous nationwide search, have been chosen to be honored with the 2025 Outstanding Workers of the Republic or Tower Award. Palakpakan po natin muli ang ating mga awardees. Let me also congratulate the 4 employers of the awardees for creating a nurturing environment in which they were able to develop their talents and to become the exemplary workers for which they are being honored today. The Department of Labor and Employment also takes this opportunity to thank and commend the Rotary Club of Manila, RCM, which is the moving spirit behind the awards, and the People Management Association of the Philippines, or PMAP, which has been providing the necessary technical support to sustain it over the years. The department is happy to have worked with these two organizations and look forward to continue working with them and hopefully every year.
Bukod pa dito ay nagbigay din ng mensahe si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at nagbigay pugay sa mga manggagawang tatanggap ng awards at nagpasalamat sa award-giving body para sa pagbibigay parangal sa mga awardees.
Allow me to share the message of our President, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to all our awardees and the organizers of this laudable project, and I quote, I express my warmest greetings to the Rotary Club of Manila, RCM, the People Management Association of the Philippines, PMAP, and the Department of Labor and Employment, DOLE, as you hold the 2025 The Outstanding Workers of the Republic Awards and highlight the contributions and distinct achievements of our Filipino workforce. The Tower Awards are a tribute not just to our honorees, but to the indomitable spirit of Filipino workers who fulfill our citizens' aspiration for a better life. By exemplifying efficiency, productivity, and diligence in their duties, they have shown what it means to be a bagong Filipino in this era of a bagong Pilipinas. As you gather for this event, may you persist in becoming attuned to upholding our workers' rights and promoting their welfare. I trust that you will continue bringing opportunities to improve our working conditions so that we can realize a brighter future for all. Together, Let us forge a bagong Pilipinas that recognizes its Filipino workers' skills, discipline, work ethic, and dynamism. Mabuhay ang Tower Awardees at kanilang mga pamilya. Mabuhay ang manggagawang Pilipino.
Ang mga nakatanggap ay sina Eddie Alagaban mula sa Energy Development Corporation at si Shirley Gonzalez ng Yazaki Torres Manufacturing Inc. ang mga nagwagi sa individual na kategorya. Habang sila Ellsworth Gempeso at Krish Cyrus Micabalo mula sa Franklin Baker Emerald Plant, Michael Dasalia, Mark Felnor mula sa Butaya and Ronald Quinones, Franklin Baker Inc. naman ang team category. Mabuhay ang manggagawang Pilipino, mabuhay ang Tower Awardees. At yan ang report, Kim Gomez, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.